Setting the screensaver. When the computer remains switched on for a specified time without any use, a moving pattern or animation appears on the screen. This pattern or animation is called a screensaver. If you move the mouse or press any key on the keyboard, it will get you back to the screen. To set the screensaver, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize option. 2. Click on the lock screen. 3. Select the screensaver settings. 4. Click on the down arrow of screensaver. 5. Choose any screensaver you want to use. 6. Enter the number of minutes. 7. Click on the Apply button. 8. Click on the OK button. We can also use the up and down arrow buttons to specify the number of minutes. It is the idle time after which the screensaver should appear. The screensaver appears after your computer is idle for the number of minutes you specified in step 6.